This video we will discuss how to go live on the CoverStar application. To do that, you first need to head over and open your CoverStar app. So going live on the app is currently a restricted feature. It's only available primarily to verified creators who have built significant positive engagement on the platform. To access this, you can focus on creating high quality, engaging content to gain verification. Once authorized, you can go live using the dedicated streaming option on the app. So you need to have a verified status. So the live stream feature is not available to all users because it's reserved for verified creators. To get verified, you can head over and make sure that you have great impact, creativity, and engagement, not just follower count. You also need to focus on posting popular, creative, and family-friendly short-form video content to increase your chances of becoming verified. Once verified, you can access the live feature on the app, which supports interactive features like using custom avatars, face tracking, and background audio. If you're already verified, look for the live option within the creation tools on your dashboard. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.